VP Inday, what is the reaction of your father when he saw his 4 children for the very first time since his illegal detention inside the ICC detention facility?
Masaya siya. He's been informed of it since Friday of last week nung 3 na kami ang bumisita at sinabihan na siya na nag-aantay na lang ng isa. And the Wednesday this week, meron kaming approved visit na kaming 4. So masaya siya na nakakausap niya kami at medyo maingay kanina kasi 3 sabay-sabay na nagsasalita. At some point, sinabi ni Basti na hindi na ako magsasalita kasi walang nakikinig sa akin. So, medyo siguro na-miss niya yung ganon na discussions, na labo-labo, sabay-sabay nagsasalita lahat. At masaya siya na nakabisita kami 4.